Good morning. Hello, everyone. Hello. Where is ADR? Looks like you guys can read, right? What it says on the screen? On the stream it says stream starting soon, right? Morning. What a gap up. I don't even know what to trade here. I locked some profits on Microsoft, on Broadcom. Target's looking good. It's gonna be very difficult for me to trade this big move to the upside. I hate gap up days. I don't know how to trade these days. Well, I do know, but I don't like trading these days. So we'll see what comes today. If we can catch any good scalps with futures. Yeah, the Microsoft swing, beautiful. Like, it's right on my PT, like right here. I don't have any PTs. This is all-time high on Microsoft. So that was perfect. And not taking profits here, it will be being greedy. Microsoft looks like it doesn't want to stop, to be honest. But it's always good to lock profits. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much done thanks to Microsoft and Broadcom. Literally my job is done today. Freaking Intel. It's messing up my portfolio today. Yeah, I decided to change the music. I don't care if the video is gonna it's gonna get flagged with copywriting. But I'm getting bored of the same music. We have news until we have Powell today. Thank you, Greg. SMH, ugly reaction. Nvidia, perfect 142 reaction there also. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we already had an amazing day thanks to Microsoft. So let's be really patient here. And wait for a good setup. with SPY in the queue. See what IWM is doing. Ooh, beautiful rejection. That 240 level was a perfect bounce. 239, 240 was a perfect bounce. The queue looks like it wants to go higher, but it's a little bit difficult for me to play upside on gap ups unless we break. So I'm gonna be watching this pre-market low and pre-market high. And I'm gonna watch this pre-market high here on SPY and this morning low here on SPY also. Apple is looking pretty good. Looks like it wants some more. Nvidia bouncing, but it's still looking pretty weak. I'm gonna be all out of Broadcom. Yeah, it's showing ugly rejection of the 175 level. Okay, nice move here on SPY. I kind of like SMCI. I should buy shares there. I'm gonna buy shares of SMCI. How's the mentoring going? Pretty good, honestly. Everyone is behaving very good. No Karens, only nice people. The mentoring is going pretty good. Okay, we have a SPY reacting here, pre-market high. Should we try this one? I don't know if I want to go against the trend unless the Q breaks these lows and we can play the gap. Microsoft, as long as it keeps holding previous all-time high, is extremely bullish today. So just keep watching that level, and yeah, no reason to not hold at least one runner. I mean, we locked profits. Microsoft is holding support, so leaving a little bit of risk on the table on Microsoft, it's a no-brainer so far. Ooh, clean rejection here. Anyone got this rejection on SPY? I think I'm gonna wait for the Q to see if it's gonna reject this support to play the gap. It's been so weird this week and last week too. If we only see the daily time frame, it looks like a very easy uptrend, right? But it's been very choppy intraday, especially I will say the last 10 days on SPY. It's been weird. It's moving very, very, very slow. Yeah, remember to like the video. What data we have at 10? Okay, data, it's out. Watching Microsoft, if can hold the VWAP here.
I miss you like the moon with the sun out of touch. Oh, I see.
Okay, I'm getting SMCI. Well, you know what? I like SMCI. Just I don't know if I want to wait until the Q fills the gap. But I like how it's holding. It's holding very good above 38, above yesterday's low. Nice bounce there on Microsoft. Okay, I got the 45 calls for next week on SMCI. I'm also holding calls for 2026, and I think I want to get some for January 2025. I got the 100 calls for 2026. But you have it on my Discord. I posted today on my Discord. It's right on my watch list from today. I'm not adding on TGT, so it's up to you if you want to add, but I entered on a perfect, I entered very low. I entered at 129, so I'm green on TGT. No reason for me to add here. Okay. This song is getting too intense. Okay, nice hold on Apple, nice hold on Microsoft so far. Nvidia is trying to break the VWAP. SPY is starting to look weak here. Needs to break this support. Weird. SPY is looking pretty weak. The Q is looking pretty strong. Yeah, 45 and 42. I got 45 and 42 for next week. SMCI.
Cause I don't want to hear it. Just get your shit and go, 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 go. Man, you can go, 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 like me.
Go, 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 go.
Man, you can go, 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 go.
Okay, I see you, Apple. I see you, Q. But still, we're playing inside this very small range. And if you guys can see, the VWAP is inside the candle, so there's no trend so far. The VWAP is not even working. It's working more on the Q, not working at all on SPY.
Like me. It's like I'm up in the club on a Saturday night, just kicking it, you know, with my boys.
We go up, down, turn around. Baby, here we go again. We go left, right, and do it all night. Baby, here we go again. We go up, down, turn around. Baby, here we go again. We go left, right, and do it all night. Baby, here we go again. Here we go again. Here we go again. Here we go again.
I know. When it's at all-time high, it's at least for me, it's extremely difficult to trade, especially if we're moving so slow and so choppy. And now today we have a huge gap up, so even making it more difficult to trade for me.
Just get your shit and go, 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 go. Man, you can go, 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 like me. Go, 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 go. Man, you can go, 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 like me.
Okay, let's see if the Q is gonna break this high, pre-market high here. My stop loss on my lips, I have no stop loss. On the swing trade into next week, it's gonna be an ugly rejection of 38. I think it's 38, the level that I'm looking. Yeah, 38. Look at those candles. That is so ugly. Okay, I'm gonna try this rejection here on the Q. Let's see if it works out. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna break that level. I don't like that Nvidia now is looking bullish. Well, we'll see. Another rejection there. Look at that ugly candle on SPY. Okay. I'm gonna start looking some profits here. Nvidia is kind of waking up, but the Q is still rejecting the same level. SPY, look at that ugly candlestick on SPY. This type of candlestick can blow up your account like this. Okay, I think I'm gonna get out of this because Nvidia is looking pretty bullish. So we'll see. It's weird. It's weird. Okay, look at that move. Okay. I like that better. SPY very weak. What's going on with SPY? The Q is holding very good. Okay, I'm out. I don't care if this thing goes back down to 619.50. Look at that. It's weird. Okay, Microsoft is starting to get weak. I'm all out of Microsoft. Beautiful trade, super happy. Okay, let's see if we're going for the gap here on SPY. Yeah, it's been so weird. I don't know. I was not expecting this type of market this week. I thought this week was gonna be like easy breezy, because most of the time during the holidays is weird, like it's choppy. That's normal. The volume is lower, so that would be during like the weekend of the days of Thanksgiving, and then it's gonna be choppy or a low volume type of day between the 22 and the 26th of December, and then closer to New Year's Eve. But in the past, the week after Thanksgiving, it wasn't weird. It wasn't like like right now. Right now is so weird. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Well, I was watching some videos and people that been trading for like 20 years said that big funds start selling their losers, so they get prepared for taxes next year, so that's why they sell their losers. And also they start buying the bigger gainers or the winners of the year, because they want to show up to their clients that they have a good portfolio, pretty much. Still, I've been trading for almost 8 years now, and I don't remember this happening after Thanksgiving. I don't remember this happening the past few years, honestly. I have a really bad memory, so I don't know what happened like 5 years ago, but I do remember last year wasn't like this. So I traded with 20 APEX PAs and two evals. I traded with 22 accounts here from APEX. I'm gonna trade now with Tradeify.
Hotter than the sun, we keep burning bright. Higher than the moon, we always rise. We always rise. We always rise.
We always rise, no matter what. Look at that candle.
Legends never break. They just learn to fight. We'll keep climbing up till we touch the sky. Hotter than the sun.
That's what the market's saying. We always rise.
Higher than the moon.
Hi.
We always rise. We always rise. We don't sleep when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time. All my friends in the loop, making up for teenage crime. We don't sleep when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time. All my friends in the loop, making up for teenage crime.
Okay, so now I'm gonna trade with 7 straight to funded accounts from Tradeify. Let's see if I can find a good trade here. I think it's definitely gonna be this breakout here on the Q, because the Q is really trying here. Okay, so we have Microsoft turn around, Nvidia fighting 142. That's an important level, that's pre-market high, and it was an ugly rejection in the morning, like when the market opened. 142, 142.50. Oh, this price action is brutal.
We don't sip when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time. All my friends in the loop. Making up for teenage
Intel is trying to hold 22. If it cannot hold 22, it's gonna be dead for me. 22 is a very important level. This is messy. This is messy. I don't even want to look at this.
Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day.
I'll be back. I need more coffee. I need more energy to watch this thing. This thing choppy.
Somebody said they saw you. The person you were kissing wasn't me. And I would never ask you, no. I just keep it to myself. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it on the low. 'Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know.
Okay, I'm back. Ooh, Microsoft now is looking pretty good. That can be another trade, but I'm not gonna do it. I don't wanna know. Yeah, its price action is horrendous. But Microsoft is holding. I got a fake out. Little candle there. I didn't like how SPY was looking here. That was looking like a huge red candle, and Microsoft was losing the VWAP, so I was like, just take your profits and be happy. SMCX, and how's the volume on the contracts? Because it can be very good, but so it can, I like that is leverage, but if you are up a lot or down a lot and it's not liquid enough, you won't be able to sell your contracts. Let's check it out. But contracts are crazy expensive. So yeah, they're too expensive. I would prefer shares instead of this one. Honestly. Brockton is very, very weak today. I'm super happy that I took all my profits there on that one. Ooh, I like this one. I like this one. Okay, now we're breaking out. We need this candle to close like that, strong, not with a wick at the top. Okay, nice breakout. Pretty good hold on Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia.
Foi em uma quarta-feira. Saí pra te procurar. Andei a cidade inteira. Mas cadê você? Cadê você? A cidade é grande, as pessoas não. E eu por aí, sem te encontrar. Vou pedir a Oxalá. Oxalá quem guia. Oxalá quem te mandou.
It looks like it's way better to just buy options and swing trade them than just being day trading or scalping. Because look at this crazy move. So choppy. In one candle you can blow up your account easily. It almost got me here on this one. But the market definitely don't want to go lower. That's what happened when, remember the video that I made about how I trade with market structure? That's why I always say I always said that I'm trading, I'm on a risky trade when I'm trading against a trend, because when you go against a trend, it's very easy to get bite in the ass. Well, the Q almost got me here. And look at the market. Yes, it pulled down with weird wicks, but it is very, very strong. It's showing you that doesn't really want to go down. And when we trade with the trend, we catch bigger move. Yeah, it doesn't bite you in the ass in a good way. Yeah, gaps and go are a little bit difficult, but we need to pay attention to the pre-market levels. But as long as I have a very good music, I'm okay just watching the market here for a little bit. We had a very good trade. This rejection here almost got me, almost stopped me out, but we made it. We made it. We ended up green. Tesla, I don't like Tesla, how it's moving. So for me, Tesla is extremely choppy, just like the market. Okay, you guys said Tesla is moving. What is... Okay, look at this. This is why I'm not trading Tesla. What is this? What is this Tesla is moving? What is Tesla doing? It's doing absolutely nothing. Yes, it can move here, but it's too close to resistance. So do I want to trade something that is close, so close to resistance? That's a no for me. That's a big no for me. I don't care if you think that it is a good trade just because it's holding yesterday low and maybe it's above the VWAP. This is not good enough for me, because the way that I trade is I want to risk this and possibly getting this in return. So I buy the dip. I don't buy at high. I am not a high buyer. I'm a dip buyer here. So that's why I have these alerts here. I am trying to buy Tesla here, not at the top. IWM. Buying here in the middle of nowhere, pretty much, and so close to resistance is not how you get big winners. IWM. Yeah, IWM, I like it way more than Tesla. It's near support, so it's looking way better than Tesla. I think I would like to see it more consolidation here, like a little bit more candlesticks like this one here. Maybe I'm gonna give it today and then see how it reacts here tomorrow. But yeah, I would like to see it more consolidation here and more green candles. I would love to see a hammer here on the daily time frame. But I don't trust anything. Like, look at this. I was very close to take a reaction here, but I was just talking about not going against the trend. So UNH. Nah, I don't like it. It's not close enough to resistance. And it's doing nothing, and it's too close to this support. So what am I gonna trade there? What's the trade there? Like, what am I gonna trade there? The news, yeah, but it's doing nothing. Not much. And it's over 600. I don't trade anything over 600. I think my top is the only one that I trade that is expensive is Meta, and I still don't really love how Meta it's moving lately, and I'm waiting for Meta to pull back to previous all-time high. I posted today on my Discord. Meta, this is my plan on Meta, so I'm not touching Meta unless it gives me this. So place your alerts here, guys, near this high, and then let's see how it's gonna react there, and then I'm gonna look to play the upside continuation. Right now it's reacting, so nothing to trade there. I know, right? I changed it up a little bit. Oh, SMCI has earnings? Oh shoot. When? Dang it. Why I cannot see that on TradingView? What is not telling me that it has earnings coming up? That was not on my bingo card. Oh, on the 17th. Okay, in 2 weeks. It's in 2 weeks. But thank you for letting me know. Thank you. What's going on with Broadcom? Really didn't like that 175 level. 175, 176 resistance. Ugly reaction there. According to Robinhood, SMCI earnings are on the 17th. I don't see it on TradingView. On TradingView says in next year. Yeah, I don't know. Apple's starting to look a little bit weak. Should we try this rejection here? Thank you, Rudy. I think I'm gonna take it. Yeah, with one contract. My stop loss is gonna be this little high here. Let's see if I can get a little pullback here. I'm not looking for anything like huge because the market is just moving weird. Again, it's risky because I'm trading against the trend. Does it talk? What is he saying? What? Oh wait, give me 1 second. Hey, can you hear me? Desi. Let's see. Nah. Oh wait. Hello. Hola. Can you hear me? Yeah, I'm on voice. Okay, I see it. You guys can hear me? Okay. Hola. Okay, he's too busy. Bye, guys. You can hear me? Yeah. Okay, so... Okay. Nice. Good. Bye. I'm done. We got it. We got it. Bye. What a day. Okay, guys, we have 2 for 2. This is impressive for me because most of the time my days that are huge gap ups, most of the time I'm red. So 2 for 2. I need to take one more trade with my funded futures and then I'm done. I'll be done. Hopefully it's green too. Pickleball is... I played pickleball yesterday and tomorrow. There's no pickleball for me today because I have to teach today. I have a bunch of classes today. Today is it's a full day of mentoring classes. I'm kind of happy that I skipped the day yesterday because yesterday was also a very weird day, just like today, but I came fresh with new music today, feeling way better. No, I've been playing music for a while now, but it just I was playing different type of music because I cannot play this music. I shouldn't be playing this music because my videos could get flagged. I know sometimes YouTube just delete videos because of the music, so we'll see. Rap music. I'm honestly not a big rap music fan, but I really like, but I went to Kanye's concert, like, I don't know, a few years ago when he came he came up with the Life of Pablo album. I really like that one. It was amazing. His concert was really, really good. Ultralight Beam, yeah, that one's good. Runaway is my favorite Kanye song. Drake is cool also. But yeah, I don't listen too much rap music. I do listen to reggaeton a lot, especially when I'm working out. Man, Broadcom is just dead. Dead. Runaway? Okay. Oh, 100 greatest. If you guys want to listen to 100 greatest hip hop songs, what is Runaway? Oh, ultralight beam is there.
We don't want no devils in the house.
Yes,
We
Lord.
want the Lord.
Yes, Jesus. Yes, God. Yes,
Jesus, praise the Lord.
yes, God.
Hallelujah, God.
Yes,
We don't want no devils in the house.
yes,
We
Lord.
want the Lord.
Yes, Jesus. Yes,
What's the move? Just be patient. Steady wins the race.
We on the ultralight beam. This is a God dream.
This is a God dream.
This is everything. This is everything.
Apple is rejecting the VWAP.
Deliver us peace. Deliver us love.
Microsoft is holding very, very good. You know what I'm looking at? Broadcom, if can hold yesterday high, could be a good entry.
You know when it. Pray for Paris.
Pray for Paris.
This is a God dream. This is a God dream. This is a God dream. We on an ultralight beam. We on an ultralight beam. This is a God
SMCI is holding very good.
dream. This is
Yeah, it would be. So for Broadcom, let me show you guys.
everything. I'm trying to keep my faith.
So basically, we want to see it holding between 170 and yesterday high. If can go to yesterday high, will be perfect because that will be the gap fill. But it can stop either at 170, 169, or 168. So let's watch out how it's reacting to this entire zone, pretty much.
So I look to the light to make these wrongs turn right. Head up high, I look to the light. Hey, 'cause I know that you'll make everything alright. And I know that you'll take good care of your child. Oh, no longer am afraid of the night. 'Cause I look to the light.
Is that Q making a flag here?
I will feel their questions. I will feel your pain. No one can.
It could be a little good entry here, but I don't trust anything.
They don't know. Foot on the devil's neck to the drift.
Spy is just a mess. So many wicks. Look at those ugly wicks. Why is Spy so messy?
I've been this way since Arthur was Anteater.
Let me see how our financials,
My daughter looked just like
like energy. Okay, energy is very, very weak. Energy is very, very weak, and it has a gap down below. Most likely is gonna fill that gap. So, what's F? Okay, financials, very weak also. Big gap below. What is health? I don't XL. That's energy. XLV. Ooh, it's looking like it wants to go. This XLV looks pretty good. Look at this. This is a God dream. Look like a flag at very strong support. Let me see something. I never traded this one. I don't even know if this has options. How this one move? Okay.
Father, this prayers for everyone that feels they're not good enough. This prayers for everybody.
Looks like it doesn't move much. But it looks pretty bullish. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this trade because I don't know how this thing move, and it looks like it moved very slow. But it looks pretty good. It looks pretty bullish. Man, where this candle came from? Like, what is this? What's IWM doing? Let's see. The Russell. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Now it's 240 pounds, but it's still, I don't know. I don't love it. I think it needs 1 or 2 days of consolidation, holding 240, 239 for me to really trust it.
Told you from the beginning, upper echelon, I get the stacking up, I'm untouchable, I get to represent, money multiple, I'm at the top of the charts, unapproachable, bread by the loaf, turbo the motor, tic-tac-toe, kill another vulture, selling their bows, bitch do yoga, I deserve rewards, serving these boulders, 100 grand large, when I shop, that's a total, fill up the garage, bitch, I'm a mogul, ain't no...
Okay. Is this buy gonna really hold here? Yeah, I think it's good that Broadcom is pulling back, but I was not expecting this huge pullback, like so fast. I got a feeling that Meta is still too far from my entry. So place your alerts guy near previous all-time high, which is around 600, and then just forget about it. It's not Meta today. It's not doing much. It's just reacting a little bit. It looks like once more downside. Definitely, it's looking very weak. Kind of fighting pre-market low. But yeah, it's looking pretty weak, honestly. So let's wait and see if he goes to 604, 600. Target. Is Target breaking my stop loss? Why would I not be holding Target? Like, why? Why would I not be holding Target? In fact, Target's giving you an amazing entry right now. I know, Intel, it's killing me too. If cannot hold 22, I'm gonna take the L there. If the technical analysis looks pretty good, it was pretty good, it's just having too many fundamental problems. Just watch the chart, look at the post that I made on my Discord about this chart, and pick the best and the best contract you can pick, which is as close as in the money as possible and with time. Yeah, it's on there, it's ADR trades. Yeah, if Intel, and if I ended up red on Intel, it's gonna be it's gonna be added to my list of do not trade ever again. It's having too many fundamental problems. I think the only way to really save, not to save, but to get a big return on my Intel trade is getting if Intel gets a new CEO that is very, very promising, just like what happened with Starbucks when they got a new CEO. That thing is gonna fly if that happens. Nvidia moving. I think Nvidia is the one that is moving the Q. I kind of like this pullback here on SPY, but I don't. It's difficult to trade SPY today. Oh, thank you, you too. Remember that with my trades, you guys need a lot of patience. Most of my trades don't play out the same day. Sometimes take like a week to play out. So remember, I'm looking at the bigger picture always, and I'm looking for trades that it can possibly give me a big return with little risk. But for that, we need patience. And I'm a deep buyer. I like to buy when things are red. That's when you take advantage of low premium. You want to buy when things are cheap, and you want to sell when things are expensive. Not the other way around. It's like, not, you don't want to buy right now Bitcoin. I cannot wait until Bitcoin goes down like 30, 20, 15%. And then we start seeing news that Bitcoin is going to disappear and how Bitcoin is not relatable or is useless. That's when I'm gonna buy a lot. Because I already sold all my Bitcoin. Well, not all, but I sold a big chunk of Bitcoin. Yeah, I trade based on support and resistance. So my stop loss, my price target, everything is based on my entries. Everything is based on support and resistance. Dale? I think, is Dale inside the gap? If it is not inside the gap, I don't care what Dale is doing. Yeah, no, it's not doing anything. It's not inside the gap. It's near rejection. It's near the rejection point, 128. So no, I do not like Dale here. It depends what strike you bought. It's 11:11. Make a wish.
Some days just don't feel right. I think I feel much better at night.
Okay.
Seems I can't deny. Some days just pass me by. You know I think I feel much better at night.
Anyone got spy here? That was the entry that I was hesitating to take it. I like this one. Look at Microsoft. Microsoft is looks like it wants to boom boom. I'm waiting for pullback to here. There's nothing you can do. You can use Fibonacci levels, but how can you? There's no levels above, so you just gotta understand what's going on and just read the candlestick. That's all you need. Read the candlestick. The candlesticks are sending you a message one candlestick is sending you 4 messages: the open, the low, the close, and the high. So really nailed how to read candlestick and you'll have no problem. No, Adolfo, you need to go to my Discord. Go to my Discord. I posted an email there. I'm sorry, I posted a video there with a tutorial. For everyone that is on the mentoring program. But if you are on the one that it says video plus mentoring, it's for mentoring group classes that it starts on January. If you are on the one that it says video mentoring plus the 0 to 100K challenge, that's the one that you have this entire month. It's a 2-month mentoring. The first month is for 4 video calls with me. The second month it's gonna be the group classes. Go to my Discord and send me a message, and I'll send you the link for the video tutorial. So let's go here. Let's talk about this. Okay, so this is the Whoop page, right? Depending on which one you got, you have different stuff to add, right? So here, this is only the video course. You have the video course that is lifetime access. And you're gonna learn through videos everything that I know about trading. How I swing trade, how I read the market, how I do my levels, how I read the candlesticks, how I do my watch list, everything. So if you got the elite course plus the mentoring, you have group classes plus the elite course access. The group classes are on January. You have it here. Here you have it. Yes, it's gonna be on January. It starts Q&A sessions. And if you are on the mentoring program, that you guys can still be there, can still get it. You have the video course. You have the group classes. You have classes with me one-on-one. And you have access to my Discord chat. So make sure to get prepared, because you're gonna have a lot of info, a lot of material to watch, to study. And yeah, get prepared for amazing 2025. IWM, I already talked about IWM, guys. So why would I talk about IWM like 3 times? It depends what you mean with beginners. Yeah, for if you are a beginner when it comes to reading price action, reading, yeah, technical analysis, yes. I already talked about Intel also. Nike is one that I haven't talked about it, so let's see what Nike is doing. Not much to look at here. It looks like it's holding this level here as support. And yeah, maybe. What is it? Has a huge cap above. Yeah, it could be a good swing. Definitely if it keeps holding this level here, this 77 level. Yeah. It's maybe making a flag, who knows. But yeah, I think as long as keeps holding 77, it's pretty bullish. I have resistance here. But yeah, 77, good hold. Okay, looks like we're gonna have my pullback here. I want to see also the VWAP kind of getting closer to this level. That would be good. Pretty good if the Q can hold this pre-market high and the VWAP is also here. Otherwise, it could definitely go a little bit lower and try to test the VWAP.
In this house, everybody is equal. Everybody's moving to the same beat all night. We all getting driven by the same kick drum. We all getting grooved to the same bass lines all night.
You have a video where I explain. I have a video tutorial where I explain how to trade gaps. It's right on my. You have it out here on my channel. I know Dale has a big gap, guys, but watch the video, understand why I'm not interested on taking Dale, because it's not inside of my gap. That is not how I trade. I don't trade gaps based on hope. I trade gaps based on very, like, I have a very, I will say, how to say this? To trade gap, for me, first it needs to be inside the gap and clearly showing me that it's holding the gap, like it's holding the gap base. Go and watch the video that I made about gaps so you understand how I trade them. Nvidia is looking pretty bullish now. Apple is looking pretty tired. Apple is looking pretty tired. Same thing with Microsoft. Not like this hold on Broadcom, but I will need at least one day with a green candle holding support to trade that. Apple is definitely looking like it's topping. Look at the daily. The daily is looking like an inverse hammer. The shooting star, I think it's called. Whatever it's called. It's a candle with a long wick at the top. That's a clear rejection candle. I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna leave, guys. Yeah, I'm starting to get hungry. This market is so boring. But the music was fun today. You guys like more of this music or the one that I had before? And I want to see more likes. Both are good. Any music? Ooh, okay, we're having this pullback here. Yeah, it's Apple. I told you guys, Apple was looking pretty tired. Yeah, Hispanic, you're looking pretty different. Microsoft is still holding the VWAP. Apple is looking pretty weak. Nvidia is looking good, but I don't like those candlesticks. They're like crazy wiki, but it keeps going higher. Like clean 142 and 142.50 hold, which is pretty bullish. It's holding morning high, which is bullish. So it's making previous resistance at support. Again, pretty bullish. My other channel? I don't have an other channel. Do I have a twin and I didn't know that? Oh, okay. Okay. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia is looking pretty good. I think Nvidia is gonna be my main watch tomorrow if it closed today holding above 142. If it can close today how the daily candle it is right now, that will be perfect for me. IWM is looking pretty good now. I know, I don't know how to do with those weird scams accounts. Like, before I was thinking of making my Discord completely free, but then that would be horrible for scams accounts. You guys already get a bunch of messages from them. Please, if you got any message that you're certain is not me, click the 3 dots and then click report. I need you guys to report them and then block them. Help me with that. That's funny, John. They are very polite, very demure. I know. I wonder if they're really making money out of it. How many people send them Bitcoin? For real. Is it even worth it? Apple, very, very weak. Broadcom is still very weak. Meta is still very, very weak. Ooh, Meta, is it Meta gonna give me my entry today? It's still far from my entry, but it could easily give it to me today. Or tomorrow. So I paid for a... So this is how first of all, just click whenever you see a message on my Discord. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to know if it is me or not. Just click on any, like here, right? I posted my watch list here today. So if you wanna DM me, just go and click there. And now you guys are gonna see these, I don't know, like sparkling stuff on my profile. You have it on my picture here, little picture here, and also when you click on my profile, it's there. And also my, look how it is now. And also look at since when I'm on Discord. Since 2018. Most of those scam accounts are new accounts from this year. So that cannot be me. And look at these sparkly things on my profile. So I'm paying for this. Hopefully it gets easier for you guys to recognize this is the real me, my real account. And also I'm on Discord since 2018. Okay, pull back here on the queue. Let's see if it's really gonna hold there. It needs to hold this pre-market high, and maybe it could go a little bit lower to the VWAP. So what we could expect here is go lower, touch the VWAP, and then bounce and hold this level. SMCI waking up. Apple pretty weak, Nvidia pretty strong. Microsoft is starting to reject previous all-time high. Looks like it's rejecting the VWAP. Meta is still very, very weak. What is Google doing? Let's see. Google rejecting 175.50 is rejecting resistance. Amazon rejecting the VWAP. Everything is looking kind of bearish right now. Everything but Nvidia. Video. Yeah, looking pretty good. Nice bounce here on SPY also.
In my mind, no, I need you all the time. 24-hour service, now that you are mine. In my mind, no, I need you all the time. 24-hour service, now that you are mine. In your mind, it's kind of what I'm like. Take your time, baby, I'm just what you like. In your mind, it's kind of what I'm like.
Video.
Take your time, baby, I'm just what you like.
Apple is dying. It's trying to hold morning low, but I don't think it's gonna hold it. Microsoft is not holding previous all-time high, not holding the VWAP, so most likely we have more downside. We'll see. Apple dead. I don't understand your question, Greg. How it can be dead fake if you're watching the stream on that page? Ay. Okay, so we have the Q. We have the Q at support, but I don't know if I trust this hold here with Apple dying now. I was talking about fake accounts on Discord. We were talking about fake accounts on Discord. Didn't notice it was 5-minute time frame also. I needed 30. Ooh, I missed my entry on hood. 38 support. Look at that bounce. That was perfect. No, thank you. Yeah, TUT turning around. That's good. SMCI, beautiful bounce, guy. I think we have a great entry there. Great entry. I want it a little bit lower, so I was thinking of getting more lower. But it looks like it was good. Taking a B4, hitting 39. What do you think? I need to pee. I'll be back.
To the children of the sky. Children of the sky. Children of the sky. Look inside, you'll find a deeper love. The kind that only comes from high above. If you ever meet your inner child, don't cry, no, no. Tell them everything is gonna be alright. World, hold on. Instead of messing with our future, open up inside. World, hold on.
Okay. Spy flushing with the toilet.
Messing with our future, tell me no more lies. World, hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky.
Is that a head and shoulder on Microsoft?
Children of the sky, sing it with me now. Come on, all the leaders of the world, hold on. Listen to the children of the sky. Everybody, it's gonna be alright.
Okay, so the Q hold is interesting. I do not like how SPY is looking right now. Look at these 30-minute candles. Even though I know today's SPY is not even relatable, It's weird today, very weird today, but I don't like these wicks at the top here on the 30-minute candles. So let's see if the Q is really gonna hold the VWAP, because looks like a very interesting pullback to previous high, but the 30-minute is not looking too strong. I don't like these kind of like a topping tail here, but we'll see. We'll see. I think the VWAP will tell us if the Q is really gonna hold there or not.
Relax my eyes, I see flashing lights, I'm not alone. Are you alright on the other side? I can feel you close. I feel alive, hear the drums get
Okay, I like that reaction. I'm gonna go long there. My stop loss is gonna be an ugly reaction of the VWAP. And this is my last trade of the stream. Hopefully green too.
Oh, can I fall in love? I wanna fall in love. Maybe I'll fall in love before the summer's over.
I'm looking to take profits near these wicks here, near 522. 522. I'm trading with 3, my Fund the Futures account. Mila in Miami. Come on, Q, move to the upside. I'm hungry. Let's end the stream with another green banger. I do not copy trade. If you DM me, that was a scammer. So I do not copy trade. I do copy trade, but my accounts, not with other people's accounts. You are seeing me copy trading here with my accounts. You have a DM from me, that is not me. That is not me. Please click the three dots, click report, and then click block on that profile. This is Peggy Woo Radio on Spotify. Peggy Woo is an American Korean DJ that I like, so I just put her radio. It's pretty good. Yep. Peggy Woo. Can I send you a link? I don't know how to do that. Oh, here. Share. Yeah, there he is. We're looking good. I took also the same trade on the 7 trade-to-5 accounts that I traded earlier today. This setup is just too good to not take it. With our other accounts, yeah. Around 522 is gonna be my take profits here. I think a little bit under 522 just in case we have an ugly rejection here. Just watching all these ugly wicks. It could definitely go higher, but I'm fine with that. Today is a pretty good day. Pretty good day. I needed this because last week was a little bit difficult. I needed this with futures. I've been killing it with options, but futures been difficult. Today was pretty weird also, but I don't know. I'm having a pretty good day. Nvidia just booming. Twelve. Oh, so my trading day is done pretty much. Because I have 125k account on, I think it's because I have 125k account on, no, on my funded futures, or is because they have different amounts of money. Like I have different P&L on those accounts, so some accounts on my fund of futures doesn't allow you to play with more than one mini, and that's why. No, I trade straight to funded accounts on Tradeify. I already, like, there's no... Why would I trade with evals on Tradeify when you can buy straight to funded accounts? Like, for me, it's a no-brainer to just trade with straight to funded accounts on Tradeify and pass evals on Apex, which is the cheapest one. Yeah, it's annoying, definitely, but it's part of the rules. Like, there's nothing you can do. I mean, if we're trading with their money, because yes, we're paying for those accounts, but also we're having more. Basically, we're having more money to play. Paying for those accounts, you just gotta follow the rules and pick the ones that it's best for you. Like, the way that I do it is I buy evals on Apex and my funded futures because I think that's the best thing to do, and I buy straight to funded accounts on Tradeify. So I know that with Tradeify I can only take base hit trades, and with Apex, I can just let my runners go.
I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to fall out of love with you. Because I truly did love you.
Apex is still cheaper than... Apex is cheaper than Take Profits. And I think Tradeify is also cheaper. Not sure. But Apex is just the cheapest one. Okay, I'm getting out of this. I'm happy with my trades. I'm good. It's over 12 o'clock. Super happy with my trade today. Yeah, it can go higher, but I don't care. I really don't care. Okay, beautiful day. We have green here on my funded futures. I had also this trade here on Tradeify. So we got this first trade here, 112.50, and then this bounce here, I got 160. So also we kill it with Apex. I'm done. Beautiful day today for me. Surprisingly, beautiful day. Surprisingly beautiful day. So yeah, how much is that? I don't know. It's like, I made like 10K today. Something like that. Not sure. Maybe. But yeah. Beautiful day with futures. Awesome day. Thanks to the swing trade on Broadcom and Microsoft. Hopefully the SMCI trade. The SMCI swing trade. Hopefully it's gonna work out the rest of the week or maybe next week. TGT is looking good. It's not doing much, but it's holding way above my entry and my stop loss. So we're good. We're good. It looks, definitely the market looks like it wants more, but I'm hungry. I need to go to the gym, and then I have a bunch of classes to give. Yeah, on the mentoring program. So yeah, I'm done. I know. I'll see you guys mañana. Remember to like the video. But yeah, see you guys mañana. Bye.